ready. She's ready.
Come on.
What is that? Oh, look! Wow! Wow!
Are you excited?
Oh, look!
That's a nice one.
Isn't it nice?
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you put your lollipop in the microwave? Does it need to be cooked? Are you so excited? Are you excited?
My hair.
Yeah.
You gonna wash your hands?
That's where you wash your hands. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. Say thank you, Mac and Barb. Mac? No. You're like, I don't know.
Mac.
Yeah. Okay, good deal.